Chitaafo ni bi atwetwe wo mo ho asese watikuo bi abanda ubokrata mu nsem wotese ye kan ho asem see the base party no ye movement wo munyanya ne party the base movement na wo mo di animu bia in fact yenimi so wo magidin wo memu a wono mo eka ho bie wayi ni tipa se the base movement no wo di animu na waboabo adi pa no yie no eye ejaku bra Facebook Nhyira 104.5 na yentie no kakra ebra oka the base ho asem
keke ode be sha bra base obe ya onye bi owie school no sa dan ne mami owie school no sa dan ne papa mami ne de be ma no nanso wo mu ni ho a na mami ne te be mu a no osu ofri se ono nko ade Nhyira eyo ma bi aye den ye free mu ye nche kura free se kratai ye register nkofo ema ye form si kwantere ne no so a ye nko ye doso ye betie sim edwan mu nyina timi nua no mame ebe ye kakra ema mpanimfu akan ye ho a bibi bo o masene a ye no mu nyina ye adwumanya bibi nti yetimi fomudin ento eja sese no eni masema o maka kire ye efa ema ho
ejibere ejaku the base on the di animu oboaboa edom ano edema won na supporters ni bi nso akasa omo di the base mu ni ade no ebi akasa the reason why the base movement no omo edeba
enti se na mahusa ayiwe ya yetiri mu pane se ye de kofa ye wura akompreku Japan edi na free NPP mu enti ya ti the base queens samuni mo ba ya santua na ba kwasem no enti ene no the base queens no e kofa ye wura ayi Japan edi na be to the base ano ami aje o man Ghana so enti youth no mo sori waka na ye nyina ye nyi o man ni so so we NDC ni na wo NDC na ye youth abra we NPP na so we ye youth na wo ni adwuma ye na wo to abra na so odo be bodom ni nyina ye nyi o man ni so and na sama hu ye friend say Burkina abrantie ketua bi nka ya to abama na nka ye beka se ntoma no
eji utia na chese obai na se mo ka nyina ne se omote emaku ewo eye the base mu a ni nyina ne se omude kohwe so mbe frɛ Kennedy Japan aba bayira kwasi kwaten a wono no kasa ma Kennedy akumpre ko Japan akasa a wochim se Ken enim we hwe na Ken is not ready to leave the NPP na currently baby a NPP ejina say no the NPP is collapsing within NPP no bubu egu wonu animu NPP biggest problem enye the opponent the biggest problem of the NPP enye obia the NPP itself. In fact, share from 92 edeba the NPP has gone through a lot of defeats near there. But what is happening today? In the Fourth Republic, I go through defeats in their primaries and even in general elections. But what is happening today is very troubling. In fact, from Professor Albert Dubois in 1992, Okoya, Okoshia Rollins, Nene Preya, Rollins Edin Kunim with a margin na a year wide pa 1.1 million votes. Into 1 million votes in yes being sida. Ebia sida because Rollins won with a percentage of about 28.1%. 1.1 million votes. But the MPP and Briki to say the nay I say ye win with 1 million votes yeah. I say John Dramani Mahamadi winning against them. Now, in 1996, Kofoa, Omu nominated by the delegates, Omu Yi Kofoa winning by 1,034 votes out of 2,000 delegates. Odibedi MPP anymore. Kufuor elusuye in 96 elections. But bra Kufuor ewini yebedi animu no from their primaries no. Edubua he free party anymore. He was still there. He never left. In fact, the NPP national chairman Peter Alajete then or United Party ensure said the party broke the NDC monopoly in parliament. Because now Osha parliament cried the NPP there. From 92 there they moved in cry. But in 96 Peter Alajete promised we Jinemu United Party no matimi ahwesa anya hwe kra no sa monopoly na e parliament no obe ensure say NPP so bebo wuram. And he did that and won some substantial seats in 1996. Even though Kufuor elusuye. Now Kufuor SRBD animu 1998. And what be wuremu ebe we need 2000 general elections no in the second round. So okay. With Professor Fifi Atamo so no contest here. That time na chairmanship no eye Peter Alajete ahande ama Odoi, Samuel Odoi. But the executives kept the party moving. Omo ensure say party ni begina ne naso. Now the cracks of the NPP, the problem of the NPP right now, started in 2007. Wa won kind. That is where Kufuor administration nebe endia. Omo ano mo wo Kufuor aban mu. Ado mo aban mu o so bepe position. In fact, apart from say yenya eye Nana Akufo do Alanche Martini ade omo ba other 13 others eyi omo ti so mbepre no ma position no abedi party de ni ma bepre eye amanyoku na yi. The recent one crowd say mo anya nu 5 mpo. But look at how party no and the divisions that are being created. In fact, Akufo enya 48% no. Alan Shah, net divisions na urban. That divisions was created by Akufo and Alan Function no? From that 2007 coming. But what he did ne say, Alan, can say okosua no ye say obetwi mutanya. The divisions in the party a bit deepen. So he withdrew from the contest because that time Akufo Addo nya 50% plus 1 vote no. This is what Alan said that time. Jeffrey Betoso. Was it because of the divisions and ekosunti so what ne ho. Na Emma party in Kabombam was my 2007 NPP flag bearership withdrawal in runoff was to prevent party divisions but didn't work. Oh yes, but engineer because the party itself was divided by that time. And then Nana Akufo Addo ebe winning elections 2016 eba betna so no. As a leader of the party and was our government as a president no. Ekoso a lot of divisions in the party. Because if you have a president of the day of a political party, na utimi eyi nani mane obvious. Emma appointing CDB create Mika say threatening we almost said they should prefer a particular candidate here. Then you see where the divisions will reach. And when didi mua ene NPP etitieno. Na ni nyina no se etire no nya. I'm talking about the executives. National no enye papa. Esoro wo nyina no edeba enye papa. Ene Kufuor mampani dada de wo Kufuor se okasa kura obi amfi ni wo party nim. Enti omo e wo soro ho no the national executives omo nti obia ena party no ejija ena esai. Now if the NPP wants power, to me, the problem is the whole national executives. If they don't change them, forget it. Even some regional executives are a problem for the party today. And they are part of the divisions in the party. Because yenyasa regional, even regional chairman or jiremu se or push se divisions ebe koso party nim. knowing that and Crawford would do many more party ni no obia with the preference, and so they will choose sides. So leaders here, when we the party name currently are the cause of the party's roots today. Now Council of Elders no, in fact, so you're a Kwame Mpiani, statesman pa, or Sansu, you're one of the elders in the NPP. Jeff Fatu Sumami, we are trying to restructure the party. We are trying to get the young people who are running the party to halt, look and listen to, so that we get the direction right. So this means that the NPP is not in the right direction. I know a lot of founding members of the party who are unhappy with the direction and state of the party. And it's true. You hear a lot of the party talking about this. Say party ni baby and ni no enye. So when Alan Kwedoche Martin etin who free NPP party mu or yes wakote butterfly no. Onye hwe no ashase ya shase ye to ayampia ne ade. Eni Alan factor, you cannot say affect NPP, because even if Alan and me and we need more votes to crown one, actually say some people are NPP eka say o man kotfo abana ebufuo mu no actually will say omo fees omo to ma Alan na onwini omo so omo nkoto ma NPP because NPP anye fair to them. It is their party members, but they will decide not to vote. And it all boils down to leadership. Alan Kwedoche Martin free party ni. It was loud. It wasn't quiet. And the message was that this house is no longer fair. Because Okoye no say ye cheating. And no maybe ankoye. But empenifo ntimi antrase, and we have enkrofo almost say no man no ya started insulting the man. Nti nkabo mu ntimi ama. And then what they did political party UP no. Now if you're a political party, now we lose 2 to 5% of a core supporters are or more drifty away. Then you realize that mathematics no wa kabum. Wa wo de kekani nyina boom. And they say dunketia and Ashanti region said they want 50-50. And the job Dr. Frank Amwako hine so ye whipping the youth for NDC. I think that the MPP have a big problem to look at, and they are breaking themselves within. The base movement here, bano. Mo de won fa ni agro na the base and at the end the base. Say 1% kra e free umua e kire se walusu bibi. So NDC doesn't need to do anything special to win 2028. That one, let me tell you. NDC, with the divisions in the MPP, the NDC doesn't need to do anything special to win 2028. Say, mutna sema the base movement and kabomuna ntimi ankoso na MPP esa ma this division ekoso na the base movement bejina dia. Then you must be ready. Say NDC doesn't need to do anything special. And they will win 2028, and that one is a fact. But party nanka says say according to say Nhyira ni tintia so, because it doesn't have a head now. Obia ye the ope party nim. Poor communication strategy, and now no re. Obia kotena radio so a communicator bia no oka de ope re ayi tricycle ho asem e ba yi sa de esi abobo ya se prage for primary health care chese communication no kra no ye ni national authority for communication a obetumi a directing crofo e communicate say ade we kra say ba ye no kra ye ya na ye to yo 2024 ene ye togu ho ene ye ntimi and distribute bi aban we aba ono so bedi hu dwuma from your own MP and former minister, deputy minister, and worker. Osimuwa na motogu enti communication no. Mo enti mi kra nya authority from national bed directing how to communicate well. Poor communication strategy. Makachem say with social media today no, you cannot lie and do those propagandas of 1990s no. Makachem dada. MPP. So the internet will expose you. ena ede na mahama akofa bai bragia we so de ena tricycle de ena abobolance ena we say mo na mokoto begu nti if the communication leaders were proactive koma ye enough research ehun say ade yi efaye ho embia nkotu jangum na eba bebo ye ya but because there's no head anywhere it will be out to gumu to be tie radio we no be Canada na we so be Canada by the end of the day on when him guase the abre party no because nana do no ankasa penso no mkoto sa ade we buy and okoka na ye di watem oka na ye di watem because ebia ye wo ma dwen se ye pese ye sell party no etiti party no kra pese mo sell party ni titi party no kra even common registration sanse bi person mu wia abane mu nti common registration no edane ntokwa kohwe opoman ene ye friend say papa import say me refinity impo opoman edane blows ema ekowie regional police command because registration ebiti omu fie no omoye asante mampon yes secretary no te wo say wo a wo de forms wo be kwa print online dia ba na so be to no ba bi foforo e dia ba bia wo monye na wo form a wo office wo a wo mo de wo stamp atim so and wo mo de microphone person wo standing for polling executives ni ade. Is that what a national for no kai? But people have made decisions say wombe wura mamia no ma say be favor wo candidate bi o mu feel. Is that how we build a party? I'm saying the divisions until these things are fixed and no makai until it's fixed no slogan be anyone with 2028 be adwuma no campaign message and be adwuma no rebranding and be adwuma see a catch them bra na mo ye the break the 8 ni efie nye na mo di atem efie nye na mo di atem me say no slogan no campaign message no rebranding will save the NPP in 2028 if this leadership attitude way and are still at the NPP kodia. Look at the breakaways. Very simple political rule. The rule in politics, simple rule be a woman say, when your own people start leaving, the voters are already thinking about it. So why won't crop for a woman? Womu dwane breaki to say the base movement ni ade a na ekire wo say amanfo e wachire so anko wo beboa wo no na de owo mpo dwane na hwan ne firi ekire beto ama wo ni onu wo mu no a wo no te party ni mu ade atwa ne furu ma so won to ma wo eti floating voter ni wo mo ene na nam che no wo na akope wo ma beto ama wo. That's a simple rule in politics. The NPP need to take a different direction. As you rampiani kan yes adia mo amujejirije Nhyira 104.5 you need the base for no betwetwe nkomo na as usual the reasons will be the same yenti bibi fufuru bia the reasons for their breakaway and some krono ha eni aja ko betwetwe nkomo enche me ba isia come on Nhyira